I'm Michael Stone. I'm the director of Tektured. Today I'm going to show you our new sample kit that's been completely redesigned so that way all pieces are completely cohesive. This is to help you understand better what we can do and how we can better serve your clients. This initial folder will show you right out the gate what we can do. On the front you'll see this red foil, and we've even gotten super intricate. You can do these small lines here. In addition to that, we've done silver foil to showcase the windows on these buildings and then also the text here. But if you look really closely, this isn't just a normal print. This is our spot UV or varnish down here as well. This is a very modern design to show how intricate and detailed you can get. The reason why we can do this type of detail on the front and the back as a full coverage is because it's a digital process. You don't have to worry about dyes, long setups, or anything like that. Now, when we go ahead and we open up this kit, you'll see that we've really maximized the real estate of this piece. We've got other features here to showcase the products and just great images of them. And then again, we show how the red foil works on the top, and then you have a slot for the business card. When you completely open it up, this nicely holds all the pieces that we sell the most through the Tektured brand. This piece here is really going to help you show your clients the difference between a normal print and then a textured print. As we open this up, you'll see the differences between a normal print without any finish work and then a print with spot varnish or UV, and then the digital foil as well. This really helps your end users understand how this process works and what it can do to really add value to their products and their print. We've also included a full-on swatch card. This contains our most popular colors that we stock all the time. You can choose from upwards of 90 different colors. However, those aren't as popular. We just have to special order them. Our sample journal here is very similar. It's pretty much the same design. On the inside cover, it has a legend and a brochure. The legend will show you and call out where the laminate is, the foil, and the spot varnish, so you can really understand how it works. We've also included our paper mouse pad. These are great for self-promotions, giveaways, and other things like that because it'll sit on your client's desk. They'll use it as a mouse pad, scratch pad, anything like that. And the information that they need is always right there. We've also included our best-selling luggage tags. These things can hold a 30-pound dumbbell. I recommend you don't do that, but I have. There's another video for that, and it's super strong. And then our number 2 selling product is our wrapping paper. These come in 20 by 29 inch sheets and will cover a standard shoebox or t-shirt box. And they're great for all your branding needs. These are really easy to get your hands on. If you need one, simply go to our website, tektured.com, click on the tab that says Sample Kit, fill out the form, we'll ship it to you for free. Now, please note that these aren't the only things that we'll produce. We're a full-scale printer, so anything that you need done from banners to floor vinyls, decals, books, business cards, you name it, we can produce it here in-house. So if you need anything, feel free to reach out to me or my team, and we'll take great care of you. Once again, my name is Michael Stone. I'm with Tektured. Thanks for watching.